I'm going to show you how easy it is to install a replacement smoke detector. Because installing the new smoke alarm will require some wiring work, I'm going to first use this to test the wires. It's a voltage detector. I press on the button at the top to turn it on, and it beeps twice and lights up green. When it is placed next to a live wire, it keeps beeping and flashes red light. So I'm going to turn off the power to this box by switching off the breaker located in the basement. This is the hardwire smoke alarm that I'm going to install. I'm going to screw on this mounting plate first. Here are the two screws that were used for the original smoke alarm, and you can see that they have been unscrewed partly so that the old mounting plate could be taken off and the new one can be installed. You just align the two big holes on the mounting plate to where the screws are, push it in and rotate it so that it can't fall off. Then I tighten the screws. Now I'm going to connect these new wires to the house wires in the electrical box and then plug this harness into the smoke alarm right here. Since I turned off the power to this light box, even though the voltage detector is on, which you can tell by the green light, it's not beeping, indicating that it's safe for me to connect the wires. Now what you're seeing here is the old connector. The harness matches the old smoke alarm. Oh, here's a great tip. You can install a wire smoke alarm without having to do any wiring work by getting an adapter that allows you to connect the new smoke alarm to the harness for the old alarm. This end of the adapter connects to the old harness, and this end of the adapter looks just like the harness on the connector for the new smoke alarm. Anyway, I don't have an adapter. I'm just going to connect the new wires to the house wires since that's so easy to do. I'm going to take off these wire nuts and pull off the wires of the connector for the old smoke alarm and connect these new wires for the new smoke alarm. I'm connecting the white wires together. I'm now connecting the black wires together. By the way, the order in which the wires get connected is not important. And now I'm connecting the red wires together. Finally, I'm connecting the smoke alarm. Since my hand was covering the view, let me just explain that what I had to do was just make sure that the harness was aligned with the 3 pins from the alarm and push the harness in firmly. I'm just testing to make sure that the alarm's working. And then pulling off this tab to activate the 9-volt backup battery.